Your crypto in health. You want to know how crypto is working in health? We come to you every day with juicy news on wealth, wellness, and well-being. We're broadcasting to you live from 1.4 degrees south of the equator and 37 degrees east of the central meridian. I like to tell you we're right in the cryptographic middle of the world. You're with me, Scholastica Mugi, and I'm coming to you at 1100 hours Coordinated Universal Time, UTC, here on the Ubricoin channel. You're just in time. And on this Furahi day, the second day of October, it's your chance to yet again buy some Ubricoins for yourselves. And of course, with our amazing packages, the lion, the elephant, the rhino, and the buffalo. This is the time for you to buy as many Ubricoins as you can before the year gets, comes to an end. And we're looking at you who's buying Ubricoins worth 100,000 Kenya shillings and above, being in the lion category. And for this, you get an additional 1% of coin purchase. You're also getting a commission of 5% of coins for every referral. You also get to enjoy an end of year luncheon to network with high-end customers, as well as daily educational videos and quarterly cafe on topical issues. Moving on to the elephant, and it's you who's buying Ubricoins worth between 50,000 Kenya shillings and 99,999. And for this, you get an additional 1% of coin purchase. You also get a commission of 4% of coins for every referral. You also get annual medical checkup from qualified medical practitioners. There's also daily educational videos as well as quarterly cafe on topical issues. The rhino is you who's buying Ubricoins worth between 25,000 Kenya shillings and 49,999. And for this, you get an additional 1% of coin purchase. You get a commission of 3% of coins for every referral. You also get to enjoy medical camps as well as daily educational videos. The final category is the buffalo, and it's you who's investing Ubricoins worth between 5,000 Kenya shillings and 24,999. And for this, you get a commission of 2% of coins for every referral. You also get daily educational videos as well as medical camps. Now, the number that you're calling to get your Ubricoins is 0713 258 127 0713 258 127. And definitely I want to remind you that this is an extension. So moving to the October month, we want to see guys, fighting for the lion's share. So many people have bought Ubricoins within the elephant share. So let's move even higher with the lion's share. And of course, I remind you that the number of Ubricoins you receive are calculated according to price reported by CoinGecko.com. And of course, if you visit that particular site, you're going to see a very bullish UBN. So definitely hurry while the stocks last. Now, here at Ubrica, we talk about freedom of money, and we are definitely coming to you as that. Now, we want to give you an opportunity to have more freedom of money, and by giving 20 openings for commission salesperson. And for that, we mean that you can have a chance to earn some real cash. Now, if you join our 20 openings for commission salespersons, so this means that we're offering you free training and then you start making your money. If you're interested in this offer, definitely the number you're calling is 0713 258 127, and let's keep the freedom of money going for all of us. So let's head to the weekend with an inspiration from Isaiah chapter 40, verse 29. He gives strength to the weary, and to him who lacks might, he increases power. I repeat, he gives strength to the weary, and to him who lacks might, he increases power. How amazing is our God? That's really amazing to take us to the weekend. And on our crypto word of the day, we define hodl. Next, on our crypto news segment, we talk about Singapore applying blockchain in its public administration. And on Ubrica today, UBN again is bullish, and we keep it going by being very active with it. So let's start with hodling. And this is a slang in the crypto community for holding. And so the cryptocurrency, you're holding the cryptocurrency rather than selling it. So some cryptocurrency investors developed this term hodl, which stands for hold on for dear life. and now that's the acronym, originally coming from a misspelling of the word hold. So you see, a misspelling became a slang in the crypto community, which is hodl, and it just means that you should be hodling more UBNs, definitely, because it's gonna give you good returns on investment. So that's definitely amazing to note. So every time we're talking about hodling UBN, now you know that we mean that you need to hodl as much UBNs as you can, even as you continue trading with a few on our various exchanges. Having said that, we can now cross over to our crypto news segment, and we're looking at news on Cointelegraph. And this is, let me check it just here. And we're looking at, just give me a minute. This is news on Cointelegraph, and we're looking at Singapore taking advantage of the blockchain. Of course, we know that blockchain has been used all across the globe because of things such as transparency. We also look at the convenience of using Ubricoins, of using blockchain technology. Definitely, that's why everybody is on this space. So that is why we are seeing more people coming into this space. And of course, if you're yet to know what blockchain is all about, then you're still living in the dark, and you're in a dark place which you need to get out of. Because if you really are not in the space of, blockchain technology, then definitely there is a problem. So let me just check. My internet is slowing down a little bit, but I'll be giving you the news on the Singapore in just a while. Let me check that. Even as we check that, we are saying, guys, that this is the time for you to take advantage of blockchain money, because again, we look at blockchain money being the best thing that you can ever find, of course, in the space of blockchain technology. So also, guys, you need to be making sure that you are in this space of blockchain money. And if you're not yet here, then it's going to be a big problem, because once Ubricoins are headed to the moon, then definitely we are going to find a lot of, blessings for everyone who'll be in this space. So I seem to have a problem with that, but we can look at another news right here. And before we do that, maybe I can just go to our Ubricoin and look at what is happening in as far as the price is concerned before I get that story on Cointelegraph. So visit with me coingecko.com, and definitely you're gonna be finding exactly what we talk about when we mean UBN is bullish. And by bullish, I mean that the price is rising. UBN has been on the increase for this past whole week. If you have been looking at coingecko.com, you'll bear me witness that the price has been increasing each and every single day. And that goes to tell you that definitely you need to be doing something. Look at the price, and you'll definitely see that if you look at the price itself, in as much as we've had a downtrend just this afternoon, definitely the price tells you that it's way higher than it was last week. If you look at the price, if you compare the prices last week and this week, UBN has been on a bullish trend, and we keep on urging you to just look at what is happening to its 180-day average. If you visit coingecko.com, you're gonna see, look at the graph. The Ubricoin chart is down there, and if you look at what has been happening in as far as the Ubricoin chart is concerned for the 180-day moving average, you will definitely bear us witness that Ubricoin is definitely headed to the moon, and that's a space that you need to, be involved in, because this is definitely what we need to be doing, guys. So having said that, guys, I'm also looking at, I've got the article, so it's on Cointelegraph by Marie Holiet, and it talks about government investment firm develops blockchain health passport in Singapore. So in a pandemic era of unprecedented health data collection and surveillance, Singapore is turning to blockchain technology for infrastructure that can make it work. Government-owned investment firm SG Innovate and Singaporean startup Accredify have jointly developed a new blockchain-powered digital health passport, according to a report on September 30th. Now, SG Innovate is funded by Singapore's Ministry of Finance and has a track record of engagement with the blockchain space. Now, the Digital Health Passport app has been built on the Open Attestation platform, an open sourced framework for notarizing documents using the blockchain developed by Singapore government's CIO's office, a government tech. CSG Innovate and Accredify has said that the app will remove reliance on paper-based documents which can be lost or tampered with. SG Innovate explained, and I quote, digital health passport leverages blockchain technology to generate tamper-proof cryptographic protections for each medical document. Users can automatically verify the digital records via mobile app and present it to officials via QR code for a quick and seamless verification process, end quote. So you see, everyone is leveraging on the blockchain technology, as we have said, for it offers greater transparency. Security is on check, privacy is on check, and of course, we're removing reliance on paper-based documents. That is what blockchain is doing everywhere. And so people are definitely looking to see how they can leverage on this particular technology. So having said that, guys, we want to keep going with the Ubricoin. And of course, if you visit etherscan.io, you're going to find again that we need to be doing more action for the Ubricoin. And of course, we want to increase our holders. And that means that you and I have a responsibility to do this. So far, again, we are at 69,831. And so far, the number of transfers is at 159,839. And that is where we want to urge you to come on board and to participate with us, because definitely you miss out on this opportunity now, you will regret. You definitely will regret. So let's look at the action. UBN USDT pair on on Finex Box Exchange has been is the most active traded market, and then we have UBN LTC, UBN ETH, UBN Doge in that order respectively. That's what's happening on Finex Box Exchange. Remember, you can also find Ubricoin on CryptoclockX Exchange as well as Etherflyer. So you're not limited to just Finex Box Exchange. You can go and see what is happening to Etherflyer as well as CryptoclockX Exchange. And of course, definitely, guys, let's not miss out on this opportunity of understanding basic trading. This is the time for you to explore, and we have a video on that on this particular channel. So if you type basic trading on Etherflyer or on Finex Box, you're gonna find that video. So there are no excuses, guys. Let's take advantage of the weekend to know about trading, and of course, to definitely come on board and buy as many Ubricoins as we can. So I end with the number. We're saying that the number you're calling us on is 0713 258 127. Again, the number is 0713 258 127. Thank you so much, guys, for always being here with us. It's been a blessed week, and I hope that as we get to the weekend, we thank God for everything. And as we reflect on where you want to put your money into, then definitely Ubricoin is the place to go for it is the guarantee of health. It is the guarantee of wealth, wellness, and well-being. We wrap up the show with a quote from author Benny Zhang. By directing your focus, you can see more luck, coincidences, and opportunities. But you will not achieve anything if you do not take action. I have been your girl, Scholastica Mugi, and until tomorrow, it is goodbye for now. Ciao.